In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now let's use Clipboard. To do that, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard, or a quick tip, if you can't see it, use those icons, those 4 squares at the top left corner, and click it here, and either way tap on whatever you wanna paste. If you wish to do that after an hour though, you need to pin it or your text will disappear. To do that, hold whatever you want to and hit pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on delete. You can also pin and delete whatever you want to by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, selecting what you need and picking one of those options here. In order to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!